One other thing about these is knowing how to get into the controls. There's 4 screws. Take these 4 screws out. This comes off. There's a switch back here too, that's on-off switch. And then you can replace the pressure temperature gauge, control panel, all that here. This is your main control. High voltage on this side, pumps and incoming power. This is your spark ignition, and then you have your thermostat controls, outdoor sensors, and all that connected there. Older models, everything was back in there, all the wiring. This makes it a lot easier being up in the front.